Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a mystery flower maybe. This is for one of my subscribers, Rosemary. She asked to do some sort of flower in fall colors. So I'm going to give it the best I can do, see how it turns out. This mold I made myself, so let's see how it turns out. So for you, Rosemary, this is for you. I'm not going to put a lot of grain. Because I have a feeling it's make it muddy. And then put the red in the middle. This is sort of like a red-orange color. Put the orange in the middle. And then I'm going to do some mica circles. The white. And now we'll just wait for a little while. Okay, we're going to do another one. And we'll be back. And now I'll just put a little bit of a push. We'll be back for the unmolding. Oh, it came out beautiful. Look at that. So Rosemary, are you happy with this? I'll bring you down. We've got little tiny little bubbles in there, but with the top coat everything will be fine. You can even see the white shimmer in there too. Oh, that came out beautiful. I may put the gold around. Hang on a minute. See how it looks. Still a little bit soft. And don't forget, this is a homemade mold. That looks nice. What do you think? Well, hope you're happy with it. See ya.